going on, guys? Jay, that drain guy. So, here's the issue. Got this laundry sink that is clogged. I snaked it out. I didn't think it was going to be a big job, so I snaked it out. Couldn't clear it. Pulled back some roots. So I opened up this stack, and it was actually clear until I started running the sink and filling it up, and then it started backing up. So here's the roots and the paper that came out. So we're actually going to snake this line. I think you guys can see it starting to build up there. We're going to snake this line with the K60. We got the 7/8 cable. This is a 3-inch line. There is a backwater valve way over there. So it is running. It's not clogged here or beyond here. So it's going to be somewhere in here. So like I said, we did pull out the roots. So there is clearly a crack, at least in the drain. So let's get this started. We're going to be using our 3-inch root cutter. Maybe. You're going to see the water start to come out in a second. That's the top. Just so you guys don't think I'm lying, it's there. I see it. That just went down.
Would you like the water or a Coke or something? Or?
I'm okay.
You're okay?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, no problem.
Okay. So the problem was close within the first couple feet. We're gonna have to snake that as well, but that's good. We got that. That's gone down. So let's maybe see if we pull anything out. Nothing came out, which is weird, I think. Okay, so this is the area. I don't know, a lot of people probably didn't see it. I was in this area of the city and I pulled out a drum trap from a bathtub. First time I've ever seen that. I asked other plumbers here in Canada, or Ontario at least, right? They know nothing about drum traps, and these are people that's been in the business for 40, 50 years. So I don't know why they've never seen it, but as you guys can see, this pipe clearly has been changed. So I don't know, there was probably a drum trap, I'm guessing. But for the plumbers out there, why is that clean out there? Is this a trap? Is this supposed to be a trap? Shouldn't be a trap. But why is that clean out like that? Or actually, well, maybe this probably never had a clean out here, now that I'm thinking about it. So maybe that was just an access point. I don't know. Never seen one like that here in Ontario, Canada. Like personally, I've seen some weird traps like online. Other plumbers from the States and stuff like that has like drum traps especially. But yeah, never seen that. Very weird. But anyway, let's we're gonna take our head off, and I'm guessing there's just some buildup right there. So let me could even be just right here. It's definitely going down. We're gonna go no head. And this is the reason I went without a head. I guess we got here too late. Okay, so I don't know. You guys tell me if you've ever seen that kind of clean out like that. I think that's where we're going to leave it. As you guys can see, everything's running good there now. We haven't turned that on, so that's still running the same. And yeah.
I don't know.
I gotta see if I can put this whole cable in. Definitely got some roots. I think I'm gonna try again. Because why not, right?
That one went through no problem.
Alright guys, so let me know down in the comments what you guys think of this job. If you guys, the plumbers or even homeowners or tenants or whatever, if you guys have seen that kind of clean out like that on the floor, because I have not. Been in the business for 18 years. 18 years, coming up to 19. It's scary. And yeah, I'm always seeing new things. So if you guys like the video, I keep looking over there. I need to look here. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe, share it. Share it to everyone. Share it to your mother-in-law. If you don't like your mother-in-law, share her the ones that are nasty, right? Because why not? Until next time, guys, this has been Jay, that Drain Guy, signing out. Taragna. Just share it.